I know. After a week of canceled flights, I didn't think we was gonna make it. Okay, let's do it. You have to open it. You have to open the bag. Oh. We don't open the bag. This is a haul. Unboxing. ¡Qué bonito! $3.99. She's opening. Oh my god, guys, this is Tyra, by the way. I forgot to introduce you. If this makes it to the internet. Honestly. If not, it might just sit on my phone, but okay. Open the bag. Okay. Wait. Give you a good angle, you know? Oh god. Wait. Shut up. It's my mask. What is this? We are rich, basically. This toothbrush? Toothpaste.
Hey guys, so guess where we're at?
We out here?
Estamos en Madrid.
Why are you whispering?
España.
Why are you whispering?
Atocha específicamente.
Can you tell me where we at? It's alright, we'll be gone by the time I do something with us.
Yeah, so we just made it to Madrid and
by we, they don't know you.
My name's Tyra. I'm Gabby's new friend. Yeah.
So we're out here.
Yeah. You know, we're tired, but
we're running on little sleep. That's why
it.
I can't stop doing. Let me be serious. Let's start again.
Wait, this is so awkward.
Wait, let's take 2. Oh my god, the lighting immaculate. This is crooked. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hello internet.
Hello.
We out here.
Interweb. My name is Tyra. I'm Gabby's new friend, and we just got to Madrid, and we've been in the hotel for like what, 20 minutes?
We literally just got here.
Literally. So we're trying to find some place where we can find some food, and then also we need to get a SIM card for our phone.
We have a very long to do.
Hopefully it's Sunday, so we may not be as successful. Hopefully.
But luckily, we don't start school until Wednesday.
We don't, so we have time to kill and to get acclimated and such.
I'm like looking for chapstick, I'm sorry, but oh yeah, by the way, we're gonna be English teachers, and that's why we're in Spain. We're gonna be teaching English.
English teachers.
You know, we are out here to teach the youths.
The children.
Yes, so we moved during a pandemic. Why? I can't tell you, but here we are, ready to work, and I found our chapstick. So yeah, that's why I've been getting TOEFL certified during this pandemic, so I can move away because we want to stay home. Nope. So, and it's like 7 a.m. our time, and I'm really tired, so I'm just rambling. So that's where we're at. Hopefully when I watch this back, we explain things well. It's what? And we get to take it to our new apartment. So we gotta update the vlog. That might not happen, we'll see. In case this becomes a video. We're about to move to our new apartment.
So I should be done.
Band-aids, because
I should have all my shit together by the time she gets back.
Alright, yeah, let me hurry up back.
Let's go.
Made it to a new apartment. It's been a long time coming. Currently, it's 10:57. But let me show you my room. Obviously, this is how it came when I moved in. Cute sheets, but these aren't mine. Brand new. Obviously, I need to unpack all my luggage. Oops, don't look at the mess, but beautiful. Closet. We have a nice bathroom.
Yeah.
My roommate Brunel's room. Hi, Tyra.
Y'all, how much was the application fee? Are you vlogging? Oh,
Yeah.
what the hell is this?
Yeah. Windows
Oh my
open.
gosh.
I'm scared.
Renell, come look at this.
I'm scared, but look at this. We outside. Look at the snow. Look at Madrid.
Got a whole thing right here. Wait, I don't know how to close it back now.
That's scary.
Okay,
you could fall right out. You could fall right out. Ay, coño.
Oh no, what happened?
I hit my toe.
Oh.
Trying to get the whole vibe, you know? This is not DR. Here is our kitchen. She's cute. Brand new. This apartment has never been lived in. Lovely. Our front door. We've got, oh, Tyra's little bear. Our dining little table. Our Pantone colors of the year living room. It's beautiful. And yeah, we got so lucky with an amazing apartment not too far outside the center of Madrid. And I'll update you later because I'm tired. I want to go to bed. Oh, everybody get in the video.
Just fresh, bro.
Are you recording?
Yes, we're vlogging. And then if we pose, then I can screenshot it.
Me?
Ready, 1, 2, new apartment vibes. Just make some poses. Because I'm going to screenshot it. Hello. Introduce yourself to the vlog.
Hello, vlog. Look at her dropping shit already. Oh. It is Vernell, the roommate.
Oh.
From Virginia.
Oh. She's single.
No.
I'll edit that out. And this is Tyra. Yeah, I met her. Yeah, I met her in her British accent in the room.
Yeah.
Wait, why you? Ooh. Wait, you blurry. Oh, now. Oh, wait, show the microwave.
Okay, Renee, you have to come see.
She was really excited about this.
So, as you can see, there's just, how do you open this?
Did you figure it out?
Yo, right?
No, I pressed this button, but then I hit this, and I was like, oh, that's how you open it.
So, yo.
Again.
Wait, let me see.
She loves a soft car. Yeah, we really won on the apartment. So this is the apartment complex. Tennis court. Pool that's currently closed. Obviously, it's winter. Basketball / soccer. And all these buildings. Little playground. Anyways, so that's the gist of it. I don't know where this vlog is ending / starting, but hopefully you got enough of where I live. And we'll continue it. So here is my room, natural daylight, desk, shelves, bed. The duvet is a little uneven, but okay. Here's the view outside, the city. And yeah, that's really it. Got some bags, a little messy on that shelf, but fine, just necessities. Bed. Oh, we gotta fix that. And the closet. Okay, hi, I'm just popping on here to officially end the vlog. It's been 2 weeks since I moved to Spain, and you know, we've officially settled in this apartment, and I start work tomorrow. And I'm very excited. Thank you for watching if you've gotten this far. I know it's been a jumbled mess, but you know, like, life is messy. Moving to a new country during a pandemic is messy, so you know, it's real. But like I said, thank you for watching if you made it this far, and let me know what you want to see from me. I'm gonna try to keep my channel going while I'm here because, you know, I need to document all this. So good night.